You want to live and work in Germany, then you probably have to recognize your degree first. So highly skilled foreigners from abroad, pay attention now. My name is Manuel and together with Juan, I created Growing Abroad to help highly skilled foreigners with a university degree to find jobs in Germany, empowering them to make their dream of living in Europe come true, and of course, to learn about the German culture. And in this video, you will learn everything about the process to recognize your degree in order to work in Germany. First of all, this video is specifically for people with a foreign academic degree, for example, a bachelor or master degree. So let's start. Who needs recognition of their degree? So in Germany, there are regulated professions and non-regulated professions. When you work in a regulated profession, you need to have official recognition of your qualifications. It doesn't matter where you're from. Regulated professions are, for example, nurses, teachers, doctors, lawyers, engineers. For these regulated professions, you will always need an official recognition of your degree. We will come back to the process of the recognition later in the video. Non-regulated professions. If you have a university degree and you're from a country of the EU and want to work in a non-regulated profession, you won't need the recognition certificate to work in Germany. Non-regulated professions are, for example, computer scientists, mathematicians, or economists. Actually, most professions, academic professions, are non-regulated. But if you have a university degree, work in a non-regulated profession, and you are from a third country outside the EU, you need to prove that your foreign academic qualification is equivalent to a German university degree, for example. This is one requirement to get a work visa or a blue card. Important. This approval is something different than the recognition process. So how to prove that your foreign degree is equivalent to a German degree? So this is actually not that difficult. Option number one, the Anabin Database. To prove that your foreign degree is equivalent to a German degree, you can use the Anabin Database website. You can use a positive result on the Anabin Database as proof of equivalence to apply for your visa. So basically, you just need to go on the Anabin Database and check if your university and higher education degree have a positive result. If yes, you can print this result and apply for your visa. Of course, you will also need a job offer from a German company to apply for a visa, obviously. Check the description below the video. We from Growing Abroad can help you with that. With our help, you will get a job in Germany in 3 months, if you are a highly skilled foreigner. Okay, let's get back to our situation. If you have a positive result on the Anabin Database, everything is quick and easy. But what if you don't have a positive result on the Anabin Database? Don't worry, you will still have a chance to work in Germany. Option number two is the statement of comparability. As a second option, you can request an individual statement of comparability if your university degree is not listed positive in the Anabin Database. This statement is an official document which describes that your foreign qualification is equivalent to a German qualification. This statement of comparability can be requested from the Central Office for Foreign Education, the ZAP, in Bonn. And with this statement, you can also apply for a visa. Unfortunately, it can take up to 3 months to get the required statement. But if you apply for the statement in order to receive a blue card, the processing time will only take 2 weeks. You should definitely then attach a copy of your work contract in this case. Okay, so to sum it up, for non-regulated professions, first, check if you have positive results on the Anabin Database. And second, if you don't have a positive result, then request a statement of comparability. Actually pretty easy, right? Now, let's come back to the beginning again, because this procedure with the Anabin Database and the statement of comparability only counts for non-regulated professions. If you wish to work in a regulated profession, then you will need to go through the official recognition process. But you will also need to go through the official recognition process if you are from a third country outside the EU and working in a non-regulated profession and have a foreign vocational training, not university degree, vocational training. So to sum it up, you need to go through the recognition process if you work in a regulated profession, doesn't matter where you're from, or if you are from a country outside the EU, work in a non-regulated profession and have a foreign vocational qualification. So how does the recognition process work? I won't go through the details here. You basically have to go to the recognition portal in Germany, which is called Anerkennung in Deutschland.de. Type in your profession there on this site, and then this website will tell you which documents to send and where to send them. This was it, the recognition procedure of your foreign qualification. It's actually also not that difficult. You just have to know how. But don't forget, the #1 requirement to get a visa is to have a job offer from a German company. So this is something you should always focus on before going through the whole recognition process. We from Growing Abroad help highly skilled foreigners with a university degree to get a job in Germany in 3 months. So if you're interested, then just contact us. Below the video you will find all the information how to reach us. And to make this channel bigger so that we can make more videos like this, please like the video, and if you haven't done it already, please also subscribe our channel. Every Friday there will be a new YouTube video. So see you next Friday. Auf Wiedersehen!